Here we have a customer's home inside of it, and there is a link actually in this for a Scottsbluff. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 plan, 1923 square foot. This is the largest one-piece plan that Wardcraft makes. These are oak cabinets. It's a Kohler vault sink. And here we have the island. This one has a desk in this area. This is a nice spot for a wine bar, beverage center. The pantry is behind that door. We're going to go into the laundry room. And here we have a bench with built-in cubbies. This is a half bath. It's right off of the entrance, so you can walk through. A nice dining area. Huge living room. And this is where your, let's see, 3rd bedroom or an office will be. They're using it right now as a bedroom, but intend to use it as an office. This home features Craftsman trim. We have the other full bath. Wood wrapped mirrors, linen. Three windows above the bed. I love these sinks. Those are our standard faucets. Let's see, we have double linens in this one. So I'm going to back up and show you again. So we have his and her linens. One on this side and one on this side, which is great. Lots of space. Those look at least 18 inches, maybe 24. Showers behind there. Again, the link to this home, the Scottsbluff, is in the description. And this would be the 3rd bedroom. And we'll go back out to the kitchen. This really shows you how wide of an area this is. So beautiful, lots of light coming in here. I'm going to go back out to the entry real quick so you can see the reverse side of that also. And the steps to go downstairs.